St. John Paul II College. Our light shines like the morning star paving its way through the mist, shining brighter like diamond in the moonlight. We started from far. 20 years of academic excellence till we hit the star. In the year 2000, our light struck the motherland like a mighty thunder. A one classroom block with 5 students piercing the healing wounds of the pioneer schools like a microthorn. Blessings stormed Hacholi land like ripe fruits falling under its tree amidst the harsh war. We picked our lamp from our vision and touched it with our missions. Like the moon itself, St. John Paul II College is shining brighter than before. Starting the 3rd decade like a twinkling morning star, socks pulled up, bell tightened firm, ready to sit on the national academic throne. Our administrators with benevolent characters feeding us with holistic education shall keep us shining. These leaders are heaven sent. When I see Mr. Anecho, I see the great college going for gold. As for Mr. Olanya, more expensive academism shall identify us. In Mr. Ohola Brian, a parent with great absorption I see. And for Mr. Matata Stephen, real shall recognize reality. Our teaching and non-teaching staff they shall never get exhausted. Clear reflection seen in our performance. Like 17 points in A level and 17 aggregate in O level results 2019. We are shooting the sky. Our light shines brighter. You think we have done enough? No. We are just getting started. We are fastening our seat belt, ready for the race. We shall interact, exercise, and study with a lot of zeal. Our quality facilities motivate learning. The naturally beautiful playground keeps our talent awake. The well-stocked laboratory and library is never a retake to our performance. The chain is stronger. No parent shall leave us alone. None of the students shall sit back at home. We shall raise the lamp higher in the middle of hailstorm and shine brighter than before. St. John Paul II College, our light shines.